everyone, it's Susie here. Just thought I'd check in with you since it's the end of the week, and I also thought I'd pull together a quick video. You haven't got my face on, I'm afraid, today because I haven't even brushed my hair, so I thought I'd spare you that so you can have my little logo instead. Right, okay, so what I want to do is show you around Creator Studio today. It is a program by Facebook, and in it you can schedule onto Facebook and also onto Instagram. Now, as you know, you can't schedule natively into Instagram when you're on the normal app. So this is great news for anyone that maybe wants to put posts out over the weekends and doesn't want to sit putting them in draft and saving them, and also doesn't want to spend the money on something like Planoly or Preview or Plan if they're maybe a small business and their budgets are tight. So when you log in, and I'll share the URL at the end, when you log in to facebook.com/Creator Studio, or just searching on Google for Creator Studio should bring it up. You log in like you would on Facebook, or it might automatically log you in. And you can use this for scheduling, as I said, for Facebook and for Instagram. Now, I could see that this was Facebook when I first logged in, and then I really struggled to find where the Instagram bit was, and it was right in front of me. But it's one of those, until you see it, it's not that obvious. So you can toggle here between scheduling for Facebook or for Instagram, and all your pages, all your accounts are listed here up at the top. So I am going to go into Instagram and create a post. So here there's a little button, create post, and it gives you the option to create into your Instagram feed or into IGTV. Obviously that's for video. Now it doesn't yet give you the option to schedule into stories, so just be aware of that. But if you want to just schedule into your feed, it says choose an Instagram account. So I'll choose this one, and then your post. So you can write your captions and exactly what you want. So studio demo. Okay, I'm going to leave it really simple. You can return, pop your hashtags in. Oops, obviously that's not hashtag. There we go. I'm going to leave it really simple just for this demo. You can add a location, and then you can upload some content. So either take it from your Facebook page or from a file upload. So I'll do a quick file upload. I will just actually take a picture for this one. There we go. There's the image that I want. Do I want to also then share it onto Facebook? So you can cross-post on that. And then, as per usual, you can choose to publish it or to schedule it. So if you want to schedule it for a later date, let's say I want that to go out on Saturday, probably not at 10 at night. So let's go 2 o'clock. I can hit schedule. Right, so that you should see appear in the post status scheduled. Interesting, no results. Let's have a quick look. Why is it not showing it? There it is. Okay. Oh, phew, that was a bit stressy. It just took a bit of time to post it up there. But there it is. So it's there. It says it's scheduled. It says when it's going out, and then you should get some. You'll get some information about the likes and shares. So you can find that in the content bit. So if you then wanted to go and do the same for Facebook, you can do it here. So you just can start typing in there and post something. You can upload videos, or you can go live. So what I would suggest is you go and have a little play around, see what you think. See whether you want to use it for posting your Instagram posts, and let me know how you get on. Have a good weekend. Bye.